My name is Bhavneet Kauralan, and I am Senior Manager working with Bank of Baroda. And I'm a member of this Association Officers Association, All India Bank of Baroda Officer Association since 2012. I hold a position of National Treasurer since 2023. Along with that, we are working with many affiliate. We have affiliations from various unions, and I'm working with them as well. Whether it is national INTAC, I'm secretary there for Women Wing, and if I'll tell you about the international affiliation that we have is with Uni Global Union, and I work as deputy president for Women Uni Pro region there. So basically, we are working all and everything about the women causes, whatever they are facing, whatever problems they have, we try to find out the solutions whatever in whichever way we best we can.
Would you like to elaborate what problems are women bankers facing?
See, in today's scenario, the main problem is the time management and the work-life balance that they are unable to do it. So if you see our Bank of Baroda structure, most of the women are into either in such an age group that either they are in a marriageable state, or they are just newlyweds, or they are in child rearing stage. So basically, they are juggling many roles, and it is very challenging for them because you have bank's responsibility, and then you have your social, family, and even kids' responsibility on you. And there are many of them have elderly parents or elderly in-laws. So balancing everything is really a tough challenge which the women are facing right now. The banking doesn't have fixed working hours. That is a major problem that we have a fixed opening hour of 9:45, but there is no closing hour, which are actually fixed by the bank. So there is no time for such women to go home. Some who can take a bold move, they leave at 6. Many they stay at 8, 9, 9:30, and then they in metros like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, where travel time is again 1 hour, 1.5 hour. They're reaching at home at night, and then they have to do their own house responsibility. They have to take care of the kids as well. So this is the main problem, that they are unable to manage their work-life balance because the work pressure at the bank is very high. Staff shortage, again, they are doing, one person is minimum doing work of 3 people. Minimum. There might be some places where they're actually handling work of 4 or 5 officers, but minimum for 3 officers, one person is working. So it's very hectic for them. They can't breathe. They can't take a breather. They can't take a break. Can't even lunch properly. They just hog it down and just run back to the work. But we, as an association, we are trying, to give them that courage that they can actually speak up about it, or wherever there are problems when they get very grave, or the timings issue are very much late sittings and this. We always try to intervene and try to counsel the management, the members that you can leave. So one problem is work-life balance. They are unable to do it. Staff shortage is again is a major problem because of what this work-life imbalance has happened. Then there are many benefits which right now the women are getting, and I can say that because I have seen women across the world, and we feel blessed that we still have many benefits that are, some of them are like one, very what you say, um, that they are unique in its own kind, and none other is giving, even in India or other ways. You talk about west, you talk about east. So we are trying to do best way with which we could get for the women, but there are still a lot of things that the improvement needs to happen. Now, hygiene is another an issue, which is a worldwide issue. Incidentally, in our bank, there are many less places where this issue actually occurs because we come in, white collar jobs, so we have to have a good office premises to attract a customer, to build the brand image, bank's image. So the renovations of the branches have started. Still, there are many such branches which are old. They don't have proper washrooms. But we are taking up the proposal so that they can get renovated and these women do not face any challenge, even in the remote areas or in the very rural areas. Such issues should get resolved because it's not it is about a woman hygiene, of course. But then if you take it from the management perspective, it is about the bank's brand image as well. So you get win-win situation for both the parties, and that is more important to actually negotiate any of such demand, right?
Do you think menstrual leave is equally important?
Yes. 2024, we had a wage revision, the last wage which was revised, it was signed in 2024. So menstruation is actually a taboo concept in India, okay? So where a place where there no such concept is openly discussed, you can't simply come and barge into the negotiation committee and tell them, no, we want a menstruation leave. Because right now also, if any man has to take this name, they will shy or they will just quickly say it and get away with that. No, it is the situation. So you have to open up to society about this topic and you have to make them sensitive that what a woman goes through because what they feel is what they have seen at home. Nobody talks about it, not even their mothers, sisters, wives, leave alone the daughter or any friend. No, they will not. They do not. And what we have learned from our mothers or generations way before them, it happens to everybody. It is nothing new. Yeah. So it's okay. 5 days. You have to bear with it. So this is what how we are conditioned. When we are unable to talk about it, as women, we are unable to talk about it. How can we sensitize the men, right? So here we are sensitizing our female officers that you should come out and talk about it, and not only amongst yourself or amongst your male colleague, but you need to change the generation. You all have little kids; they are growing up, so you have to make a generational change in it, right? So it's not only about your conditioning, your colleagues or partners conditioning, it's about the next generation conditioning as well, which is in your hand right now. So you have to bring that shield in between that no, it's not okay. Those 2 days, 3 days when you are in pain, you are suffering, we are there, right? Not only to support you from your physical discomfort, but to support you emotionally as well, because the whole body of a woman undergoes those hormonal changes, mood swings, pains, obviously cramps. Some have heavy bleedings and everything. You need pampering, and it is not exaggerated on social media or the means. You really need pampering, and if you start doing that at your home to your daughters or your sister or younger ones in your family, and the men sees it, they'll try to replicate it, right? And that is how we are trying to train our female officers. Let's start talking about it. Make it normal. Keep it as a lunch conversation, doesn't matter. Ask your partner, ask your colleagues. So uh, if in my branch, if there is a lady who's not feeling okay, it's her first day or second day, and she says, "Ma'am, it's unbearable. I work till 2 or 3 already. It's unbearable." I tell her, "I'll do your work, you leave." That's how you support each other, right? So last the topic I'll come back to because it's a very emotional and sensitive topic and very close to my heart. So last wage revision, this provision was made that uh, in those days, in any of the day out of 5, if some woman wants a relief, so she can apply for a sick leave, which earlier used to be applied only after bringing a medical certificate. But now you don't need to submit a certificate. That means you need to not go to the doctor. You need not to have a document with you. You can simply take that leave in your menstruational days. So that was one initiation, right? Next wage revision, we can ask them for more provisions. Could we either increase the number of days or have separate leaves other than sick leave? Because sick leave is something different. Those are anyhow your paid leaves. Yeah. So you can demand for separate menstruational leaves, maybe 12 in a month or 12 in a year
Yeah.
or 2 in a month, or likewise any provisions can be made, which obviously can be built upon the foundation if we get a stronger one, right? So it is a must, it should be there, it is our right, and it will come. That is for sure, it will come. The way Gen Z's are talking, no, I am not vibing, I'm not gonna work today. I think this issue is important and of more importance than just vibing.
Right. It's a very good initiative, actually. And listening to you, I have one question in my mind. Like, you represent women, right? So, is it like that important? Women should involve in these things, like representing their selves, representing their groups, what they are going through, or like revealing what they are going through basically to the unions or to the banks, because we are talking about the banks right now. That's why it's a very big issue.
Right.
So what would you like to say on this? Till- how should women, or at what percentage women should get involved in these things, like opening up?
So see, it is, as I told you earlier, it is the conditioning of our mind, and it is not easy to open up to the
Right.
women. So what we have tried to, we wanted to organize women, right? We have membership of women, which is almost 60%. We have those women numbers with us, but they were not active as such. They're just members
Right.
paying their fee, but they are not active. For There were two things. First, they were not given any chance. Second, they have never had any role model, that you can also achieve this thing or you can actually follow something. They have seen trade unions as men all the time. From last 60 years, I am the first woman treasurer in 60 years of the union's history. Just to bring that change, that we can bring a lot of things, a lot of information on the table. And then it's a very simple argument. If I cannot and I will not tell you what my issue is, which is a woman oriented issue, if I am not able to explain it to you, how a man would be able to explain it? He is not even feeling it.
Right.
He's not have experienced it, what we go through. And if I'll be able to tell you better, in a better way, in a proper way, maybe in a detailed way, to make you understand, to actually negotiate with you and to clear all your ifs and buts. And that is a simple argument to each and every woman. अगर आप अपने लिए नहीं stand दोगे तो कोई और क्यों ले?
Right.
Simple. मैं मानती हूँ there are many people. See, it's not only about leader. ठीक है, लीडर वो नहीं है जो आगे झंडा उठा के जा रहा है. लीडर वो है जो लेके जा रहा है सब साथ में, राइट? वो हो सकता है कि वो बंदा सबसे पीछे हो, बस वो इसलिए है कि सारे चले जाएं आगे. ये नहीं कि वो सबसे आगे वाला ही लीडर है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट लीडरशिप. एक्टिव एंड पैसिव लीडर्स होते हैं. कुछ लोग कर्टन के पीछे रह के ही काम करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट वांट टू कम आउट, बट दे हैव आइडियाज. ऐसी लेडीज हैं हमारे पास. Those who wanted to come out, what we have made a structure. It is not obviously the formal structure, because कभी यूनियन ने वुमेन वाला पर्सपेक्टिव सोचा ही नहीं. लीडर्स जो थे वो वैसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं. But then we had a change of constitution. We made it gender neutral first. So now we have a structure, unconstitutional, but yes, every zone, which are 28 right now. So every zone has two lady coordinators. A woman can talk better to a woman, not a
Right.
man. So mostly we have zonal secretaries who are men, or regional secretaries, majority are men. So we put 2 women coordinators in every zone, so that any woman member, any female officer, she's having any problem and she can come to them, right? And they have been given this liberty to replicate it to regional level. So every zone have 5 to 10 regions, so they can replicate it. For every region, they can have 2 regional coordinators, and many have done that. Some because of this transfer, which is again a bigger issue for women, that we have interzonal transfers. So they are unable to do it. Maybe they identify somebody this year, and in some months she has gone out to some other region or some other zone. So the vacancy then again created. But this is the structure. So in that way, we all are linked in our WhatsApp groups. All the zones have all the zonal coordinator, women coordinators. They have their own zonal WhatsApp groups. The regional one have the regional groups, and I coordinate everything from the national level. So whatever information we have to pass down from the center, we do it to the zone, and that goes to region. So any problem that has to come up, it comes in the same way through region to zone to us or directly to us. Either way, whichever way the membership feels comfortable. So uh, finally, yes, it is important, and I would sincerely ask, and I do it every time I meet any woman, that all of you should come, raise your issues. If you cannot directly speak in the front of management, put it on the paper, put it on your WhatsApp group, let us come to us. We will take up the matter when we have one-to-one management meetings. That we always conduct. In every 6 months, we have a management meeting at regional level, zonal level, and central level. We can take up your issues. So you need not to worry कि अगर मैंने कुछ बोला, कहीं कोई मेरे से बाद में मुझे ट्रांसफर
Right.
करके या कुछ मेरे से रिवेंजफुल सा ना हो, हर किसी के मन में डर होता है, तो वो सब निकालने के लिए कि हम लोग टेकअप कर लेंगे, इट्स ऑल राइट. बट यू हैव टू जस्ट टेल अस योर इश्यूज. Those who wants to come out and come work in in front foot पे आके खेलना है, they are most welcome. इसको नहीं खेलना, आराम से बैठो, we'll take care. But when we say कि हम take care कर लेंगे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं पीछे से भाग जाना है. Take stand for yourself, we'll take stand for you. It's as simple as that.
Right.
That is something.
How important is childcare leave for both mother and father?
It is. It is, and we are working tirelessly on it. So, see, once the child is born or adopted, yeah, so we have the concept of maternity leaves, right? So we have introduced paternity leaves already, 15 days of paternity leave. Within the 6 months the child is born or adopted, so men can take it. That is again, it's all about conditioning. Have you ever heard कि घर में, आपके घर में, फैमिली में, फ्रेंड्स में कोई ये बोलता हो कि दोनों मिल के बच्चा संभालेंगे? एवरीबडी सेज बच्चा हो गया, माँ तो बच्चा ही संभालेगी, अब जॉब का देख लेना, मैनेज होगा तो ठीक है, तो बच्चा संभालना है. नोबडी टेल्स इट टू द मेन. बच्चा तो दोनों का है, बट नोबडी टेल्स इट टू द मेन बिकॉज वी आर कंडीशनड लाइक दैट. एंड इट्स नॉट patriarchy or anything. It's prehistoric. Men will go hunt, women will stay, take care of the elders and the kids. Right? तो ये बहुत बहुत पुराना कॉन्सेप्ट है, and it is still going on. But उस वक्त ये होता था कि see, it was men's responsibility to
Right.
feed the family. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो स्ट्रॉन्गर होता था. आज की डेट में स्ट्रॉन्ग वाला कुछ है नहीं ना. You don't have to go to the jungle and hunt for the food. You have to stay in the corporate jungle.
Right.
And in that, a woman is equal or maybe sometimes ahead of a man.
Yes.
They both are earning. When they both are earning, they have to have shared the responsibility. It's as simple as that. It's not her responsibility. It's both of you. You have to share those responsibility. Duty नहीं है एक का, है ना? जब कमा अच्छा रहे हैं, सेम कमा रहे हैं या ज्यादा कमा रहे हैं, तो काम बटेगा. तो बच्चा जितना माँ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, फादर की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. और हाँ, उतनी लीव अगर देखा जाए, अगर टेक्निकली देखा जाए कि अगर सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ लीव दोनों को दे दो, तो ऑफिस में काम कौन करेगा? तो कहीं बैलेंस करना जरूरी है. और वो बैलेंस मेंटेन करते हुए अभी 15 डेज हुआ, यू कैन ब्रिंग इट टू 1 month और मे बी 45 डेज, और वो
Right.
the foundation is laid, now you can build the building upon it, but foundation lay करना बहुत जरूरी है, और उसके पीछे concept बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. And when like this we are talking and through you many people we get to know कि paternity leave सिर्फ मौज मस्ती करने के लिए, घर पे बैठने के लिए नहीं है, which the men usually do. The woman is doing her duty and this gentleman is sitting at the sofa watching TV all day or partying with his friends. कि 15 दिन का बैंक ने छुट्टी दिया है, मजे करेंगे. अपनी वाइफ, वो शी sleep deprived, let her sleep, take care of the baby and learn how to raise the kid, right? तो वो चीज है, वो धीरे धीरे ना बंदों में भी सेंसिटिविटी आ रही है. जो हम बोलते थे ना कि ये सिर्फ लेडीज के काम है, नहीं, आदमी करता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो धीरे धीरे वो भी समझ रहे हैं काम दोनों के बराबर है. वो बैठ के जब ऑफिस चला सकते हैं तो मैं घर का नहीं चला सकता, right? तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलरेडी द फाउंडेशन हैव बीन लेड, आगे और इसके ऊपर काम चल रहा है. चाइल्ड केयर लीव सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंदर विद पे भी आ गए हैं. हमारे यहाँ पे सबैटिकल बोलते हैं, वो सिर्फ
Right.
women को है. वी हैव रेज दिस इशू कि वो बंदों को भी मिलनी चाहिए, बट देन अगेन दे से कि 2-2 साल के लिए स्टाफ गायब हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ उसको हम शॉर्टेज में काउंट नहीं कर सकते, तो इंडेंट और नहीं लगेगा. बट जनरली 1 साल 2 साल के लिए हमारे पास स्टाफ है भी नहीं है, तो सफर कौन करेगा? जो लोग बचे हुए. तो दे से वी नीड टू बैलेंस इट एंड वी विल ट्राई टू बैलेंस इट, बट एक बैलेंस अप्रोच के साथ कुछ ना कुछ और ऐसा लेके आ जाएगा. सबैटिकल में यू डोंट गेट पे, you don't get paid, it's totally loss of pay, and then you lose seniority.
Right.
So they are not agreeing upon the paying part, but we are trying to make them agree upon the seniority part. एक चीज तो दे दो, वापस आ रहा है ना बंदा, तो एक चीज तो दो. सीनियोरिटी की वजह से लोग प्रमोशंस नहीं ले पाते हैं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस भी कम हो जाता है, वो अलग तरह के टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम होते हैं. आपके साथ के लोग आपसे 1-1 2-2 स्केल ऊपर चले जाते हैं, आपको कहीं ना कहीं पीयर प्रेशर आने लग जाता है, फिर वही मेंटल स्ट्रेस वाला प्रॉब्लम आना शुरू हो जाता है, एंड देन इट डिस्टर्ब्स योर होल वर्क एंड लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ एंड वर्क लाइफ. सो अगेन हर चीज आपस में इंटरलिंक्ड, हर चीज आपस में इंटरलिंक्ड है. और जैसे लेडीज के लिए बोलते हैं ना कि वी थिंक अ लॉट, इट इज ट्रू. वी आर कॉम्प्लेक्स वायर्ड देन मेन. वो इसलिए सिंपल थिंकर है, ज्यादा नहीं सोचते हैं, सीधा सीधा तार जुड़ा है ना, हमारा टेढ़ा बेड़ा है. वी थिंक अ लॉट एंड वहीं से आइडियाज निकलते हैं, वहीं से आइडियाज निकले हैं. लाइफ चेंजिंग, गेम चेंजिंग आइडियाज लेडीज ने ही दिए हैं पूरी इंडस्ट्री को, पूरी मार्केट को, पूरी वर्ल्ड को, राइट? तो उनको आराम चाहिए, उनको कंफर्ट चाहिए, उनको समझना जरूरी है. अब वो कैसे समझा जाएगा? आप और मेरे जैसे लोग जो उठाते हैं झंडा की चलो कुछ तो करेंगे, कुछ तो बदलेंगे, तो वी ट्राई टू डू इट कि लेट्स बी वॉइस ऑफ समबडी हु नीड दैट वॉइस, राइट? तो यही सब है इश्यूज. तो चाइल्ड इसका आगे इसका मेन के लिए भी हमने डिस्कशन किया है, सीनियरिटी के लिए भी डिस्कशन किया है, पे के लिए भी, क्या पे करके क्या सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसके ऊपर आता है आज की डेट? वुमेन के ऊपर, राइट? अगर वो सिर्फ बैंक संभालेगी तो सोसाइटी कौन संभालेगा? सोसाइटी नहीं रहेगी तो बैंक कैसे रहेगा? तो एक बोले सिर्फ सेल्फिश होके एक चीज के बारे में सोचेंगे ना तो काम नहीं चलेगा. लेडीज को आगे लेके आना उन पे एहसान नहीं है. उनको, आपको जो हम बात करते हैं ना इक्वालिटी का, इक्वालिटी किसी को नहीं चाहिए, इक्विटी चाहिए, राइट? इक्वालिटी तो ठीक है, इक्वालिटी हो सकती है क्या? एक आदमी और एक औरत कभी भी किसी भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में सिमिलर हो ही नहीं सकते. भगवान ने नहीं सेम बनाया तो हम कैसे उनको इक्वल इक्वल कर सकते हैं? वी नीड इक्विटी. कि यार वो जैसे देते हैं ना कि मेरे को 10 मीटर का आपने फास्ट आगे भेज दिया, एक हेड स्टार्ट दे दिया, क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो मुझसे तेज है, या उसके पास ऑलरेडी वो रिसोर्सेस सोसाइटी ने बिल्ड करके दे रखे हैं, वो एक पेडेस्टल पे खड़ा है आदमी. मेरे को नेगेटिव से शुरू करना है भाई, आई एम नॉट एट जीरो. दोनों जीरो पे है तो इक्वल बोलो. मुझे नेगेटिव से शुरू करना है, मुझे लोगों के अंदर से पहले वो ऑरा क्लेंस करना है, उनका माइंडसेट चेंज करना है, उसके बाद अपने लिए कुछ बिल्ड करना है। और अपने लिए बिल्ड करके रुकना नहीं है, दूसरों के लिए लेडर क्रिएट करना है। उनके लिए तैयार है भाई सीढ़ी पहले से, वो चढ़ते जाएंगे, सीढ़ी पे भीड़ लगाए। एक उतरेगा तो 10 चढ़ने को तैयार है, यहाँ पे वो 10 तैयार भी करने हैं। तो वो इक्विटी चाहिए, है ना। और वहीं पे ही उसी कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर यूनियन मैनेजमेंट के साथ बात करती है। जो भी डिस्कशन का मुद्दा रहता है ना, उसके अंदर कोशिश यही रहती है कि विन विन सिचुएशन हो, किसी को ये ना लगे कि somebody is taking favor और somebody is giving favor। ऑफिसर, एक ऑफिसर, आप बैंक में, आपका भी आपका मन करे किसी भी ब्रांच में कभी भी जाके सर्वे करके देखना, एक ऑफिसर ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसको काम करने से प्रॉब्लम। हार्ड वर्किंग, 3 ट्रिलियन का बैंक ऐसे नहीं बना, दे आर वर्किंग। और पिछले 5-6 सालों का डेटा आप देखेंगे ना, 10,000 से ज्यादा ऑफिसर कम हो चुके हैं। ठीक है, आपने पे बढ़ाया, ऑफिसर भी तो कम हुआ ना, तो 10,000 लोगों का बर्डन किस पे? It's on the remaining ones. Still bank is growing, something is happening, right? Right? तो लीव्स का तो ऐसा है, लीव्स तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट राइट। लीव तो राइट है, कोई ये नहीं कह सकता कि तुम्हें हम छुट्टी दे रहे हैं, देना पड़ेगा, मेरा और जिम्मेवारी भी है। तुम यहाँ पे हुक्म चला रहे हो क्योंकि तुम्हारे घर पे तुम्हारी वाइफ चीजें संभाल के बैठी है, वो ना हो ना, तुम ऑफिस भी नहीं संभाल पाओ। मदर, वाइफ और सम लेडी, चाहे वो आपके घर की मेड ही क्यों ना हो, कोई तो संभाल रहा है ना। दैट इज व्हाई यू आर सिटिंग हियर एंड ऑर्डरिंग एवरीबॉडी। बट हमें सब मैनेज करना है, तो थोड़ा सेंसिटिविटी बंदों को भी होगी, होनी रखनी पड़ेगी, मैनेजमेंट को भी रखनी पड़ेगी। लकीली टचवुड मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी काइंड, वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वेरी कोऑपरेटिव। ऑल आर थिंग्स, ऑल आर इश्यूज, जहां हमें प्रॉब्लम आती है रिजॉल्व हो रहा है, एक्सेप्ट इंडस्ट्री लेवल, मिनिस्ट्री लेवल, वहां तक हमारा कंट्रोल डायरेक्ट नहीं है, किसी का भी नहीं है। वहां तो स्ट्रगल ही है, दैट वी ऑल आर डूइंग।
There are many cases which I have heard, our team has heard, that we have spousal ground transfers, right? But females or male partners, they are not transferred in a same zone, or there's a distance thing, right?
Yeah, right.
So they are not being transferred near to each other or to their parents. Yeah. So what is your take on it?
See, the ministry, government guidelines, it is very crystal clear. The unmarried lady, she can go to their parents' zone, and a married one has to join her spouse. Right? It is very clear. So, वहाँ इश्यूज आते हैं, ये सेम नहीं है ना। कोई बहुत अच्छा है, फॉलो करता है, सामने से बुला के फॉलो करता है, that your place of domicile, your parents' place is somewhere else and you are here. Do you want to go back? Oh, you are comfortable here. सामने से बुला के पूछते हैं। But some, they are sadist. They like when people are in pain.
Right.
And that is human nature. You can counsel them, you can threaten them, you can get your work done whenever you get to know such cases. Obviously, we get some such cases and we get it done through better people, through our office. We get it done. But you can't change such people. They never change. Unless or until they really have a heart changing incident in their own personal life, they don't change. It's very difficult to change a human after a certain age. It's a scientific proven fact. Psychology talks about it. And then they don't realize that they are doing wrong. And we strongly believe we follow this guideline. We try to get it followed. And that is why we keep on spreading information that any such case has happened. So any woman, at anywhere, if she's not happy, not comfortable, not in a proper zone or region, come to us, let us know. We'll take up the issue in other manner, in other forum, because we have proper channel. If you are unable to, if your regional HR or some person is not listening to you, that doesn't mean that your life ends there. The channel stops there. No. We know proper channel. We try to guide them as well. But if they come to us, we help them. We take up all such cases without fail. So that is a must thing.